Hi, I'm Chef Rachelle Boucher, and I am here in this induction-centered kitchen to share with you not only my passion for induction cooking, but a few of my absolute top tips about how to sell induction to your clients. Induction cooking is my favorite way to cook. It is electric cooking, but at a whole nother level. I want to show you this. So I've turned this induction cooktop on, and I'm going to do a couple things. I have one pot here, and this is going to be for melting chocolate. So no double boiler needed here. This is just going to melt on a low setting. It's quite remarkable. Over here, this pot is going to come up to boil in no time. So I'm going to put this on. I have cold water that's cool to the touch. There is a copper coil that lives underneath this induction cooktop, and it makes a direct magnetic connection with the pan. This creates friction, and that creates heat directly into the pan. So instead of a lot of sort of extra and wasted heat on the side, the pan becomes your heat source. Now, where is all of that other heat going? With gas cooking, it's going into the home, heating up the people, heating up the kitchen. So it's a huge difference in comfort in your own kitchen when you cook with induction. So we're already boiling here so fast. There are so many selling points to induction, but my favorites are the environmental impacts, the energy savings, the safety, the cooking control, and incredible cleanup. We are really getting clear that we need to reduce greenhouse emissions, and this is one of the best ways to do it. Because you're not burning fossil fuels inside your home, you are eliminating a lot of toxic gases. It's an absolute game changer for your indoor air quality as well as for the environment. So look, I can kind of lean over here. All of these pots are on. Look at this. This is something that a lot of people show. I can actually boil or have a hot pan and have paper underneath or money. So this is never going to catch on fire. One of the most surprising things I think for a lot of people with induction cooking is the incredible power and precision. Twice as fast in terms of boiling water. A cast iron pan like this is going to heat up in moments. But then on the other side of it, when you're melting chocolate, no double boiler, absolute precision. With many induction cooktops now, you can even cook to an exact temperature. Cleanup is a dream. Because this doesn't get nearly as hot, things don't burn on top of it, there's no grates to pick up and scrub off and clean underneath. It is a simple wipe and go. So induction cooking requires magnetic cookware. So much cookware is magnetic. The way you can tell is you take a magnet, you just stick it to the bottom of the pan, and if it sticks, you're in. I hope that that has given you some inspiration to not only try induction for yourselves, but to recommend it to your clients. It will not only improve their health and their cooking, but it's a huge win for the environment. For more information, log on to switcheson.org for information and inspiration to go on your own induction cooking journey.